all Dharma brothers and sisters throughout the world, as now we are going to celebrate the Lunar New Year soon. So I would like to wish you all a very happy New Year of the Earth Dog year. And on this very auspicious New Year's Day, that it is a tradition that we greet to each other with the best wishes and auspicious words such as like Teshitele and best wishes. And it's very important because everything is interdependent with the cause and the conditions that everything appears. So therefore, by beginning with the auspicious words, that it is a very, how should I say that? So I would like to wish you all joy, peace, and happiness, and prosperity, and fulfill all your wishes. But then, as we are Buddhist, that we believe everything is our karma, everything we do, everything we experience, the happiness and suffering, everything is due to our own deeds. And so therefore, as we celebrate the New Year, and it's very important for our own sake, that is, as well as for the sake of all sentient beings, that we must make the efforts this year very joyous and happiness by abstaining from all the non-virtuous deeds and by practicing the virtuous deeds. And by doing this, that even we don't wish, that naturally one will be able to experience the joy and happiness. And so therefore it is very important for everyone to make the efforts so that this year will be very happy and joyous one. And as we human beings, as well as all sentient beings, no one wishes to have a suffering. Everyone is longing for the happiness. That if we want happiness, then it is important to create the cause of the happiness. Without cause, that we can't expect to experience the result. And so the best way is the Buddha's teaching is the source of all the happiness and benefits. And the Buddha's teaching is just vast and deep and profound as like an ocean. So according to our own ability, whatever amount that we could take from the ocean, even as little as a spoonful, will be a great benefit. And so therefore, I would like to request all the Dharma practitioners that make our efforts to practice, to study Dharma, because Buddha Dharma is virtuous in the beginning, virtuous in the meantime, and virtuous at the end. Virtuous in the beginning means that by hearing the Buddha Dharma, that we know what is the right and what is the wrong. And so in this way, we will have, it is like opening the eyes so that we can see what is the best way to go. And in the meantime, it is virtuous because by knowing that, then we could take actions, we can abstain from the non-virtuous deeds, and we can practice the virtuous deeds, and we can suppress the defilements. And so therefore, it is virtuous. And the end, it is virtuous because that we meditate. Eventually, after understanding the meaning of the profound Dharma, that we meditate, and through the meditation, we eliminate all the defilements. And so that then one could experience the everlasting happiness. And so therefore it is virtuous. So therefore everyone to practice the Buddha Dharma, not just by outward, but even outward actions such deeds such as like prostrations, circumambulations, by prayer, reciting prayers, and making offerings, etc., are very, very meritorious and a great way to accumulate the merits. But the most important thing is to do it through mentally. To do that, you need to study the Buddha Dharma. What is the Buddha Dharma? What are the Triple Gem? And what is the Dharma, the Four Noble Truths, etc., the profound teachings that we must study? Everyone should study. It's not only the monks and nuns, but everyone, every Buddhist should study the Buddha's Dharma. And then after understanding that you know the meaning and then practice, it is far more profound, much more blessing, much more great result. And so therefore everybody, I would like to wish everybody to appeal everybody to study and then to practice as much as one can in our daily life. So in this way we could establish the root of the happiness, and then one can eventually experience the everlasting peace and the happiness. And so with this I conclude. May the blessings of the Buddha, Dharma, and the Sangha be with you now and always. Thank you very much.